Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. Into this video, I am going to show you how can you change your group privacy from public to private and private to public into Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the Facebook, just simply go to your groups by tapping to these three bars, and here you can find the group option. Tap into groups. Then after coming here, you just simply have to go to your groups option here and select the group which you want to change the privacy. And after selecting the group, click to the manage option here. After coming to manage option, just simply scroll down and find group settings into settings. Then you can see privacy option here. Just simply select the privacy option. Now after coming here, you can select your group privacy from public to private or private to public. And after changing the group privacy, just simply click to this next button down here and click next again. And then you can get the option to change privacy. Just simply click to change privacy. And after doing this, your group privacy will be changed in 3 days. By following these very easy steps, you can also change your group privacy into Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.